Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in product reviews. Today, we're diving into a must-have solution for your front door: the HOMEIDEAS side door window curtains. Are you tired of compromising your privacy and comfort due to those pesky side windows on your front door? Look no further. These curtains are designed to perfectly fit small side windows, providing you with the privacy and insulation you need. Let's talk installation. Forget about complicated setups and tools. With these curtains, installation is a breeze. Simply follow the included instructions, use the adhesive strip provided, and voila! You've got yourself stylish and functional window coverings. But wait, there's more. These curtains aren't just about privacy. They're about keeping your home comfortable too. Thanks to their innovative triple weaving technology, they offer impressive blackout capabilities, blocking out up to 95% of unwanted light. Say goodbye to glare and hello to cozy ambiance. And let's talk style. With a range of colors and sizes to choose from, you can easily find the perfect match for your home decor. Whether you prefer classic black or something more vibrant, HOMEIDEAS has got you covered. Now, let's address maintenance. These curtains are not only functional and stylish but also easy to care for. Just toss them in the washing machine on a gentle cycle, and they'll come out looking as good as new. So there you have it, folks. The HOMEIDEAS side door window curtains are the best solution for enhancing privacy, blocking out light, and adding a touch of style to your front door. Don't let those side windows compromise your comfort any longer. Get yours today and elevate your entryway.